Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing an AliExpress haul video. I love that right here they say stamp to what's in it. It's actually not stamp, it's dies. Oh, and a gift bag. Nice. I mean, you know, most sellers do not give gifts, so whenever I receive something, I always appreciate it very, very much. Let's put this down. Okay, so first we have a Groot holding coffee. It took me a minute to see what it is. And then, oh, I think this is a Santa something, maybe an elf. These are the kinds that need to be put together. And this one is a gnome and a bunny. Here we have a Alice one. So here's her head, and then there's a cat, her legs. Funny. Right here we have a prince. This is a steampunk heart. Oh, sorry. Here you go. Steampunk heart. Here we have, this is a cat, and then he's making a really coffee overdose face, and then there's a cup that he's gonna be holding. Astronauts. Aliens. So perfect to put them together. Bunny. And this is a ballerina. You know what? I might have that in duplicate or a similar one. Different outfit maybe, but the same stuff. This is a bunny inside a teacup. Really good stuff. I love that there's not too many little tiny pieces in it. Next package. I think these are washies. It feels like it. Yes. Oh, I got some gifts. Some sticker gifts. Well, these are like pieces of washies. Very cute. You know what? This is actually a really good idea. I could do this in a giveaway. Maybe. I feel like giving out the whole roll, like, worth better. Okay, so these are pretty much all Alice in Wonderland. It came from the same seller. Got 2 of these. These are hard to find. Usually every Alice in Wonderland item sells out so quick. We'll take a closer look when I do washi reviews. This is a Alice in Wonderland themed manga girls. Nice. And here you can see her with Mad Hatter. And there's her falling. This is pretty long. It's it's 3 meters long and 5 centimeters wide. Another manga themed Alice washi. Another one. This looks like a knight. It's pretty big, so like that's gonna be about this long when I open it. And there's the White Queen. Nice. And the last one for that package is pretty much the same as the stuff in here, I think. Yeah, we see her falling. But this one has this clear, completely see-through background. This has a washi background. This is so funny. Where it cuts off, it looks like his legs. But this is just where the washi was cut off. But it's really funny how that turned out. And here, she's sleeping with a bunny. Okay, I've never seen that before. Wonderland. Very cute. Last package. Oh, something soft. Okay, these are either glitter or powders. Okay, so these are glitter for resin. This one is a blue one. Very beautiful. There's 2 bags in here. I think. No. Okay, no. The smaller ones fell on the bottom, and then the bigger ones stayed here. Very beautiful color. Same with this. Small fell on the bottom. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. A dark one. Nice. And it's pretty heavy. So much in it. So much. Oh, my favorite color. So beautiful. Something just so mesmerizing. I love it. Oh, it's beautiful. And then we have these little bits of pieces. It's almost like little triangles, but they look very, very good in resin. So there's no glitter in it. It's just like a sheet of sheet paper cut into tiny little pieces. And then here we have the same thing in gold. Yeah, they're all gold. So it's just cut into tiny, tiny, tiny pieces. Beautiful. And then we also have 2 white. This has a tone of green in it. You can slightly see the tone of green. That way, see right here. And then this one, a little bit of like purple. So yeah, all right, that was it for this little haul video. I hope you like it. There's an open giveaway going on right now. Make sure you go and apply.